In this video, I will be showing you how to use availability in Rhythm to assign work to members of a team. So first of all, log in as an administrative user, find the project you wish to work on, and then select Team Room. In the upper right hand corner, you can see Edit Sprint, select that, and in here you'll see the team availability for each user. So you can see both sprint and project availability, and you can edit both of these for each user. You can also allow each user to assign their own availability under their name, and you can just change this as needed. Okay, so here's two tasks which have no owner assigned yet. Both have 3 hours work left to do. So if I select the owner tab, and I can see which users have time left to spend. So I'll select a user. You can see there's still 3 hours left on this particular user. And then I'll click Save. That's how you use availability in Rhythm. Thank you for watching.